Yes, please.
Okay, so going on to the first question here, with regards to which there are times when people will appreciate an individual's efforts by praising them and thanking them. The individual, in order to be humble, will say something like, "Oh, it was nothing, I didn't do anything." However, sometimes when this happens to me, I know deep down that I am saying these phrases because I want to make it seem like I did not have to put much effort into the task that did need effort. For example, if a project was time consuming and someone praises by saying, "Wow, it must have taken many hours to do it," I would be humble about it and say, "Not at all, it didn't take me long," because deep down I want the person to think that I am so good that a time consuming task did not take me long at all. How do we be careful of this and balance our intention of being humble with our hidden intention of self pride and self praise?
Yes, very good point. So this is why we cannot easily dismiss the possibility of we suffering arrogance. So as this person, brother or sister said, when people thank me for putting so much time, sometimes I am really humble and I say I didn't do anything important, anything major, but sometimes I might actually try to say I am such a qualified person or such a good manager that can do things fast. So we have to be very careful. This is why before responding, we should be careful. But sometimes, unfortunately, it comes. We rush. So at least afterwards, we have to examine what we have said and why we have said this. It's very, very difficult to understand all the tactics of nafs. Nafs easily deceives us. And you have to be well trained, well experienced, and a little bit, or more than a little bit, harsh with your nafs, so that you can tame your nafs. Otherwise, nafs is like a very vicious advisor that who always flatters you in your face, tries to please you, but in reality wants to damage you and take away everything good that you have. We are easily deceived. When someone is working for me and keeps praising me, admiring me, flattering me, even if I hear when I was not there he was praising me, this is not good enough. Maybe it's all planned to win my heart and trust and then destroy me. Nafs is like this. And this is why we are so much pleased with ourselves, with our nafs. And at the same time, nafs is working against us. May Allah help us. وَمَا أُبَرِّئُ نَفْسِي إِنَّ النَّفْسَ لَأَمَّارَةٌ بِالسُّوءِ إِلَّا مَا رَحِمَ رَبِّي. Or Imam Zainul Abidin alayhi salam says in Sahifa, إِنَّ النَّفْسَ هَالِكَةٌ أَوْ تَعْصِمْهَا. Nafs is going to perish unless you protect it, you save it. So we have to be very careful. May Allah help us, especially help me, because I need help more than anyone else.
Sheikh, we all need help in this area.
May Allah help
Sheikh,
all
the
of
next
us.
question is on Islamic belief systems.
Yes.
The questioner says, from what I understand, we may have a type of body or the like of it in paradise. Is it mujarrad or not? Is the paradise humans are experience mujarrad? What is meant by boundaries, levels, etc.?
Yes. Can I give the answer in paradise?
Inshallah, Sheikh, you go to paradise and we will all be there with you to listen to your answer.
Inshallah, when we go together, inshallah, we will have KLC sessions there and we can discuss. Or maybe we don't need to discuss anymore. Anyway, our scholars say that Ma'ad is Jasmani. We believe in corporeal resurrection. What does it mean? It means that people who go to heaven or God forbids to hell will not be only going with their spirit. They will go with spirit and body. The way the Quran and Hadith describe hell and heaven doesn't suit only a spiritual resurrection. For example, the verse in the Quran talking about people of hell. كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرها. When their skins are burnt, it's replaced. قالوا لجلودهم لما شهدتم علينا. They ask their skin, their organs, why you bear witness against us? People who go to heaven, the Quran talks about sitting on, like, sarir, a kind of like bed, a kind of comfortable chair. Mutaqabilin, facing each other. Eating, drinking fruits, river. These don't suit resurrection, which is only with soul or spirit, ruh. It has to be ruh and jas together. When we say jasmani, means jas and ruh together. Like the mi'raj of the Prophet. We say mi'raj was jasmani, means jas and ruh of the Prophet both ascended. So we believe that ma'ad is jasmani. But then in philosophy, there's a discussion, which is a very sophisticated discussion about how to explain this corporeal resurrection. What type of body do we have? Do we have the same body as dunya? Or we have body, but that body is different? For example, Mullah Sadr says we have body, but our body in heaven is lighter than our body in dunya. Certain needs, certain problems, becoming ill or aging would not happen to the body in heaven, but we have body. So there is body, there is jism, but maybe not exactly like the body that we have in dunya.
Thank you very much, Sheikh. So we are about 10 minutes away from the time